Hello there, I am Grace. Have you been wondering how to process your annual building application online? Worry no more, cause I am gonna show you the step-by-step process. Office of the Building Official. Annual Building Inspection Division. Step 1. OBO staff will forward a letter informing you of the scheduled date of annual inspection. Or you may send a request letter at obocat2023@cebucity.gov.ph. Step 2. OBO annual team will conduct an inspection. Checklist of the required documents will be given on site. Step 3. Collection slip will be sent to the email you have provided during inspection. Online payment of fees can be accessed at rpts.cebucity.gov.ph. Send the scanned copy of the official receipt through email for recording. Step 4. Submit the scanned copy of the documents at obocat2023@cebucity.gov.ph in compliance to the checklist required. Once completed, annual team will inform you that the application has been pre-approved and will direct you to submit the hard copy of the documents in the office. Step 5. Submit the hard copy at OBO office. You will be then instructed by the receiving section staff to wait while your application is being reviewed by the annual team. Step 6. If completed, Certificate of Annual Inspection will be signed by the building official for its issuance. Step 7. The releasing section will now record your application ready for issuance. Step 8. Congratulations! Certificate of Annual Inspection has been issued. Again, this is Grace, you must have learned from me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.